Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Hope you had a fantastic day. And today is Saturday, May the 17th. We have made it to day number 38 of this Miley Gen Secret Clickbank Challenge. All right. So if you guys have not been following these videos, please go back to day number 1 of this video so you can kind of get up to speed and kind of see what we're doing. All right. Now, if you are new to this video, you're new to this challenge, what we're doing, guys, is we are promoting a offer from Clickbank, okay? And we're using the Miley Gen Secret system, and we're putting those together, guys, and we're going to see if we can earn a full-time income with this method, all right? So, guys, get up to speed on kind of what we're doing. If this is your first time seeing this video, we're on day number 38 of a challenge that I've started here, guys, and we're going to use this method for 1 year. Okay, we're going to do 365 days of promoting one offer on ClickBank. Okay, we're going to use the Miley Gen Secret system to see if we can earn income with that one offer. Okay. We're not going to veer off and do other offers. We're going to stick with one offer and we're just going to see what we can do with that. Okay. So again, today's day number 38. We did day number 37 last night, but today we're on day number 38 of this challenge. And I'm going to show you guys how to send out an email in the system, and then I'm going to show you the results on what we did yesterday from yesterday's email. We're going to check to see if we got any traffic or got any sales or got any progress. Okay, guys. So let's go ahead and get right into it. All right. So let's go ahead and go over here to the Miley Gen Secret system. If you guys don't know what Miley Gen Secret is, Miley Gen Secret is an email service that provides 100, 200 leads every single day. Now these leads coming in to this to your back office are going to be business opportunity leads. Okay, so what that means is that these people that are coming onto this Miley Gen Secret list, these people are looking for ways to earn income online, right? So it's our job as affiliate marketers is to go out and find offers that we can use that are related to making money online and send those offers over to this My Lead Gen secret system to the traffic. And then those people, and entices those people to get motivated on wanting to earn income online. Okay. So that's what we do, right? Now, My Lead Gen Secret's been around for a while. A little bit about myself. I've been with My Lead Gen Secret over a few years. Okay, promoting the service. I've promoted tons of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you now that it does work. Okay, it does convert. Okay. And that's why I'm promoting this method, and I'm showing you guys this 3 years later because it does work. Okay. So I want to come out here and show you something. I'm not going to come out here and show you something that I'm not doing or I have not done or I have not done for a long period of time. All right. So that's one thing about True Freedom Income is what you're going to learn is I'm only going to come on here and promote offers and show you stuff that I've already done. Okay. And through trial and error, once I get past the trial and error, of something, I'm going to show you guys and just show you that it works. Okay. And that's what I'm doing here. That's the only reason why I created this channel. Okay. Is to show you guys different programs and different offers that do work because I've been in the affiliate marketing space, over 20 years now. Okay, guys, I've promoted whatever product that you could probably think of. I know about it or I've promoted it. Okay. I'm familiar with free traffic, SEO, paid traffic, campaigns, Facebook, Google ads, Bing, solo ads, media buys. I've done it all, guys. Okay. And I'm actually still doing it. Okay. But this is what I do, guys. Okay. Is this affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is just my thing. Okay, guys. So it's something that I've spent a lot of time doing, that I've spent a lot of money learning. Okay. How to do stuff. And this method, what I've discovered, when I've came across this method, this is probably the easiest thing to do online. Okay. Forget trying to, buy different programs and, get sucked into having to spend more money to learn more stuff and to claim that you're going to make all this money and stuff like that. This specific offer, this specific method that I'm going to show you is cut and dry. Okay. I'm going to tell you exactly how much it costs, and I'm going to show you the free stuff that you are going to use. The only thing that you're going to have to pay for is your traffic. Okay, that's it. All right. Now with My Lead Gen Secret System, there's a one-time charge of $60 to get started to get the account set up. Okay, there's a setup fee in your first month. Okay, and then the next month is going to be just $30 a month to keep the service. Okay, and what you're going to get with that $30 a month is you're going to get thousands of people coming in your list every single month. Okay, and that list that you have, guys, is going to grow and grow and grow and grow. It's going to get to 200,000 one day, okay? And then you're going to be at that limit. And then once you get to that limit, they're still going to give you more and more fresh leads every single day after you get past 200,000 people, okay? So imagine you know, the the audience that you can get to once you get up to that level, okay, guys? But I'm just showing you guys how to send out an email, guys. And if you guys want to get started, okay, I did leave a link below this video. So if you come down here to the video, and there's going to be a link right here where it's the MLGS True Freedom. Click on that link. Okay, it's going to take you to the My Legion Secret System. Go ahead and pay your $60. Go ahead and get started, and you can start sending out emails immediately, like today. All right. No need to wait. If you guys don't know what Clickbank is a network marketing platform that allows you to promote tons of different offers, whether that be health and fitness, you have make money online, you got cooking, you got spirituality. There's so many different offers that you can promote on Clickbank. But what we're going to be using Clickbank for is the e-business, e-marketing niche, okay, which is the business opportunities niche, okay. That niche is all created, all centered around making money online. Okay. So we're only going to use those offers. All right. So if you guys want to get started with ClickBank, if you don't know what that is, go to clickbank.com and go ahead and get started. Create your account. It's free. Doesn't cost you anything to get started. All right. Let's get to it. This is your back office of the My Legion Secret System. This is what your back office would look like. Once you get started, the only thing different is going to be the emails that you're sending out. Today is May the 17th. I've already sent out my email for today, guys. Kind of beat you to it. Okay. And you got the My Leads tab here. This tab is going to be the tab that shows you how many leads that you get. This right here, guys, I'm in my last account, my 8th account. I got 8 different accounts, okay, that I can send out an email in every account that I have, okay. So this email right here is going to go out um, to 100 brand new people, okay, that I've never, heard of, or they've never heard of me, okay. Excuse me. And I'll be able to get in front of this audience, and not only get in front of this audience and be able to get, talk to the same people that I've been talking to, okay. Real quick, this traffic is cold traffic, okay. These people don't know who we are, they have to get warmed up to us, okay. So the longer they get warmed up to us, the more they get warmed up to us, okay, the more opportunities that we have to, connect with those people and get them to trust us and get them to buy our products, okay? So the mailing system, this is where you're going to hang out at, guys. This is where you're going to send out all your emails, okay? So just remember, the mailing system is where you send out all your emails. Click on select all. What that does is it transfer all of your leads over to the portal. So when you send out one email, it goes to however many people that are listed right here. So this account that I have, guys, it has over 52,000 people in it. So I can send one email and it's going to touch all of these people, okay, which is pretty awesome, okay? So let's go ahead and go down here. Let's go to the subject line. The offer that we're going to be using is called Live Chat Jobs on Clickbank. Okay, it's in the network marketing niche. Okay, it's in the e-business, e-marketing niche. It's going to be the first one, Live Chat Jobs, ran by Social Sales Rep. Okay, so this offer right here has free email swipes. We're going to go to the free email swipes. Okay, and let's go ahead and go down here. And we're just going to pick an email, okay, from all of these emails. So you got 20 of them, okay? So you got 1 through 20. So let's go ahead and go down here. Let's just pick this email, okay? And we're going to grab the subject line. And we're going to just grab that right here, Control C. Let me show you that real quick. This is the subject line. And then when you come back over to the mailing system, you see the subject line as well. So you take that, Control V, right? Copy and paste them. That's all we're doing, guys. Super easy. All right. So let's go ahead and go down here. We're going to click on perfect timing. And then we're going to come here and we're going to grab this body text. Okay. This body text is what we need. Okay. To send our email out. Right. And then this body text right here, at the bottom is going to be a link that's going to go with this email. So we're going to use this link after we post this to our body. Okay. So let's go back over to the mailing system. Control A, Control V. Boom. Super easy. Take out signature, put in your name or management, whichever one. All right. Come back up here and we want to go to the name. It's going to say hi name. We want to take that out where it says hi name and we want to put a code so that way, when this email goes out, it goes out to, it says, it addresses our prospect by their first name. Okay, which is pretty cool. So let's grab this. Okay, Control V. Boom. And we want to look for bold text that says click here. Okay, this is a call to action button right here. Okay, so zoomed in there. So let's go ahead and grab this link right here, and we want to turn this into a clickable link. So all we got to do is come here, grab this right here, this link. Okay, let's see. Control C. Come back over here to the mailing system, and we want to Control V. All right. What we want to do is we want to take out where it says your Clickbank affiliate ID. This is very important. You want to put in your Clickbank affiliate ID. I'm gonna put in mine. Don't put in mine because I'm going to get the sale if you put in my if you put in my affiliate ID. Okay. So put in your Clickbank affiliate ID. Go ahead and click on OK. All right. And then once we do that, right, and then that turns that into a clickable link. Okay. So you want to come down here and we have another one right here. So you want to take that one and we want to Control C. Okay. Well, we want to click on the link tab and then Control V. Sorry. And then we want to come back here. Okay. Let's click on that. We want to take this, your ClickBank affiliate ID and you want to put in your affiliate ID. Okay. Whatever that is. All right. So mine's Jermaine1. And then let's go ahead and click on OK. And look, what that does, it turns that into a clickable link. Okay. Where it says from your country, I like to make that from your area. So every time you see where it says from your country or in your country, you want to say in your area. So that's why it's more personalized. All right. So you want to take that, Control A. I like to make the size either 16 or 18. Okay, make it very easy and legible for my customer. Look how good this email looks. Okay, it says, "Hi Jermaine, hi John, whatever their name is. If you're able to type in English, we have a job opening that may interest you." Okay, which sounds really good. Okay, and what that does, it creates a clickable link right here. Okay, so our prospect can click on our link and it takes them right to our affiliate page. So that way, the affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for us. Okay, we don't have to do anything. All we got to do is get our prospect. We're just the middleman. We get our prospect from A to Z. Okay, we get them from where they are, and then we put them in front of a offer that's going to make them money, and then we get the reward. Okay. You come down here, that's the clickable link as well. Okay. At the bottom of the email, before you click on send now, there's going to be two buttons. One is going to say send now, and one is going to say preview. Click on preview, check the links, click on them, make sure they go to your affiliate page, and it has your affiliate name in it. Once you do that, you click on send now. That's it, guys. That's how you send out an email in the My Legion secret system. It's very easy to do. And if you guys want to get started, click the link in the description at the bottom. Subscribe to this channel as well, guys. If you're watching this video, subscribe to the channel. There's going to be lots of other different stuff that I'm going to do. But I really want you guys to follow along with this 365 challenge so you can kind of see what we're doing. If you're somebody that needs the extra income, okay? If you're somebody that needs the extra income, maybe for groceries, a light bill, gas bill, pay mortgage or rent or something like that, this is going to be the extra income that you're going to be able to use to be able to help pay some of those bills, right? So let's go ahead and go over to ClickBank. I'm going to show you from the email that we sent out last night. Let's go ahead and go over to the reporting tab. Today is May the 17th. Okay, let's see here. Today, we got about 986 hops, 609 unique hops. These are brand new IP addresses that came to our page. These people decided to buy for whatever reason, or they didn't buy for whatever reason, okay? Today, we didn't get any initial order form impressions, and we didn't get any sales, and we didn't get any free trial signups, okay? Now, if you guys been following these videos, we did get a free trial, I think the day before yesterday. So that sale should be hitting any day now. Okay, so we'll be looking for that maybe tomorrow, and see if we got a free trial sign up. It's either tomorrow or Monday, one of them. I send so many emails and do so much stuff, I forget. Um, you know, But go back and watch these videos. You can kind of, you may know more than me if you watch these videos. Okay. But what I'll be looking tomorrow for is a either an initial sale or some kind of gross earnings. Also, we're on the second batch of 30 days. Okay. So those first 30 days that we shot, the rebuilds are going to be coming out the next 30 days. Okay. And that's the cool thing about this offer here, guys, is that this offer is going to, you're going to get paid over and over because it has a rebill in it of $20 commissions, net commissions for us. Okay. So every time someone signs up, we do the work one time and then we get paid over and over and over and over again. Okay. So that's the cool thing about it. All right. Which is this offer right here. Let me show you. Live chat jobs, it has a rebill of $28, and as an affiliate we earn $20 of that $28. The vendor keeps the $8 and we take the $20. Okay, which is pretty cool. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's how you send out an email. That's the traffic that we received from last night's email. Okay. Unfortunately, it's Saturday. Okay. Maybe people are not sitting at home looking at emails. The night is also not over yet. Central time here is 10:23. So we may have a little bit more time, and someone may could possibly sign up, or order form impressions. Somebody may go to the checkout page and maybe buy or not buy. Okay, but for as of right now, okay, I waited till all day to shoot this video. I didn't get any initial order from impressions. I didn't get any initial sales. And then there's no free trial signups yet. Okay. The whole goal here, guys, is to get initial sales every single day. Okay. We're still kind of new into this challenge. This is only the second 30 days that we're on right now. The more we get into shooting these videos where I'm showing you, the more we get into the months, okay, maybe 4, 5, 6, that's when stuff starts getting good because we got those rebuilds coming in every month along with new people coming in, and we start seeing more consistency right now. Okay. But right now we're still new. These people are still getting warmed up to us. Okay. But we're going to grind it out. We're going to keep shooting videos. I'm going to keep showing you guys what we're doing, whether we're making money or not. I'm going to come in every day and just show you what's going to be possible for you if you were to get started, and just show you a realistic process for how this goes. Okay. You're not going to come in, okay, and just make thousands of dollars. This is not some kind of lottery ticket, software where, you click on, you send out an email and you click on send and it, gives you thousands of dollars the next day. Okay, guys, it doesn't work that way. You got to get these people warmed up. And you have to grind it out, guys. And that's what we're going to do. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like, how this works. Okay, let's come back here tomorrow. Let's look for some kind of sales or some kind of growth somewhere, guys, and see if we earn some income. All right, but I'm going to end this video on that note, and I'm going to see you guys back here tomorrow, Sunday, at the same time, same place. All right, guys, peace.